Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm in Pretoria City. I'm in a suburb called Hatfield. You can see the City Lodge Hotel on the other side. Let's take a walk. So it is drizzling a bit. It was raining earlier. In this area, you'll find the University of Pretoria. So there's 3 major universities in this city. There's the University of South Africa, University of Pretoria, and Tshwane University of Technology. But in this area or in this suburb, the university brings a lot of economy. Most of the people you will find around here, they are students. They attend the University of Pretoria or private colleges. So there's different restaurants around this area, and there's lots of pubs and clubs because of the young demographic that lives around here. Even on this side, you can find Pizza Hut, McDonald's. But there's also a local restaurant that sells like proper cooked meals. If you don't want to eat McDonald's, you want something like a local dish that's healthy, there's a restaurant here that can cater for you. There's also a Nando's restaurant. So right now I'm walking towards the university, but I won't be going inside. I'm just going to show you some student accommodations. So student accommodation is big business around this area. And a lot of the businesses around here, they cater to the young demographic that lives around in this area. And here on my left, you can find some small businesses. There's a hair salon. There's also a small supermarket. And this building here, that's a student accommodation as well. So most of the apartments around this area, most of them have been turned into students' accommodation. Because like I said, that's the big business around this area. There's also a station, How train station, is very close. And there's also a shopping mall. I'll show you when I get to the shopping center. So most of the businesses around here are accommodation, fast food, restaurants, because, you know, students like eating out. And here it's a hotel. Even this building here, it's a student accommodation as well. Also, there's lifestyle and entertainment businesses because students like going out, especially on weekends. So those are the main businesses in this area. Here on my left, it's a hotel. There is a few corporate offices in this area. And that's a club called Drama. And then here on my right, that is the Hatfield Plaza. That's the shopping center. So don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe if you want to. You can also join and become a channel membership if you want to support the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey,